So today we're going to Nikki Beach. We got a beach bed with a minimum spend, so we're gonna get loads of food and drinks, and we're thinking of doing like a mukbang type thing, but I guess we'll see. We just kind of want to relax, and she's feeling great. Look at that.
I'm so tired. I feel like I haven't slept in days and I just woke up.
Yeah, but we're gonna like relax at Nikki Beach, get food, drink, hopefully good music, and yeah. So I guess we'll take you with us. This is my outfit. It's just like a pink cover-up thing and a white bikini. We got our sunbed. So we just got here. We got our sunbed. Super cute. It's at the top. We've got like a minimum spend for food and drink, so we're just gonna like get a load of stuff and eat and drink. And yeah, super nice. It's really hot. And we're right next to the beach too. The beach is right there. We just got the first round of food.
Yummy.
Chicken Caesar salad. And I'm still deciding, but I'm thinking of getting like a sushi boat. It seems excessive, but I'm kind of in the mood for sushi. I just got some rainbow rolls. They look so good. Ren just finished her salad.
So good.
So we spent basically the whole day at Nikki Beach. It was really nice and relaxing. And now we're going for dinner again. And this is my outfit. And this is Ren's outfit. And yeah, we're going to this nice place in Palma. So, ooh, it's bright.
Is it in Palma City?
Why is it so bright? Yes. Yeah, we're going to this place in Palma City. It's right by the harbour, and apparently it has a sea view, so I think that'll be really cute. We actually forgot we made the reservation, so it's kind of like a last minute thing. Because I think we actually wanted to like stay at Nikki Beach, just eat there, and then like go for like a casual dinner, but guess we're dressed up again. So yeah, we're gonna head and see you later.
Do you have like a lip gloss?
No, I've just got like lip liner.
I ordered a soup and I thought I was getting a squid and tomato soup, and this is not soup. I'm really irritated.
It kind of looks like soup if you like mash it up.
I'm blended.
This is apparently a soup.
So annoying.
It was like an unblended soup.
I'm so annoyed. This is a salad and it said soup on the menu. I have no idea. It's like I don't even. I'm so upset.
So the soup arrived. How are you feeling about the soup?
Okay, it's just what I wanted.
Is it?
No, I don't know. It is. It's just. I don't know. This seems more like a creamed. I don't know.
Like if you creamed prawns.
Yeah.
It looks okay.
Do you want some?
No. I got a strawberry daiquiri. We got our breakfast. Woo. What have you got?
Omelette, pancakes, waffle, bacon, beans, hash browns, and grapefruit.
You hungry?
Everything.
To be fair, I've got like an entire cheese board. Well, not really, but
Yours looks so much healthier than mine.
feta salad that I created by myself, and 2 bits of bread, and 2 orange juices each.
Yeah.
So we're going to a little cove for some aesthetic snorkel moments. We were supposed to go to Calador, but then we realized it's like an hour and a half by car.
So far.
And yeah, and a taxi would have been like 150, which is kind of expensive. And I can drive, but I can't drive that well.
She
and like
can't drive. She says she can drive every time, and then when it's time for her to get behind a wheel, there's the motorway. It's too dark. How will I drive?
No.
She can't drive. She's like,
I can drive. I can
never
drive.
seen her drive.
It's just
We've
like
never gone
hard.
anywhere in a car with her. We always plan it, and then it's always how
The motorway is scary. Okay, it's scary, especially with like Spanish people going really fast. I'm like scared. Like they literally they don't respect the road rules. They just
driving.
They just swerve, and it would not be a good time for me. My anxiety would be at an all-time high. So I was like, I'm not driving. I can't really take a taxi because it's kind of far. And then Ren was like, let's go in a hot air balloon, which is a fun idea.
It sounds like so much fun.
It is. It does.
Such an adventure. Such a thing that you do and once in a lifetime opportunity. It's fine.
Yes, but then the other problem is that's an hour away too. So now we've decided to go to like a cove that's kind of close and it's really pretty. And they have like a restaurant and stuff.
So no adventure, just a restaurant and water.
We're gonna buy snorkels. Oh my god! I knew that was a liability.
I live a life of struggle. Let's go, Shira, let's go!
Okay. This is my outfit. It's like a cute like bodysuit moment, and I have this new bikini that I bought, which I'm loving. So yes, this is my outfit. And then Ren's outfit is
brown shorts.
This moment.
Flowy thing.
Pretty.
Oh, so ready.
We just fully bought snorkels. So we've arrived at the beach and there's some kind of like stairway to go down. You're not feeling good about the hike, are you? We bought these snorkels, it's so random, but I think they're really cute. And they'll be good for snorkeling, so let's go to the beach.
Just snorkel.
So let's begin our hike to the beach. I hope it's not that far because I don't feel equipped.
Is it still called a hike if you're going down?
Yeah. A hike just means like walking.
Oh, it's pretty. She says, looking at just the rocks.
I mean, I see some people in the distance and they look like they're having a good time. So that could be us.
Best taxi ride.
Yeah.
The guy was like playing great beats. He was dancing, bobbing his head.
He was singing. We were singing with him. It was like karaoke time. And then at the back of the taxi it said it's a disco taxi. And you know what? I'm so here for that.
That's the closest I've been to a club in a long time.
Yeah.
I got a bit too excited.
Disco taxi is where it's at. So if you're ever in Mallorca, look for a disco taxi and maybe you'll come across him. It looks like it's down there. Very secluded, like little cove. So we're at the Calo Falco beach and there's like a jellyfish warning, so we actually can't swim or snorkel, which is a bit annoying. But they have like a beach restaurant over there, so I think we're just gonna get some drinks and like some food and stuff. It's really annoying that we can't swim though. The lifeguard said that there's really big jellyfish. We looked at the other beaches and apparently there's jellyfish there too, so yeah, I guess it's more of like a tanning day. So this is the beach club behind me. They have really good food, but we're not really hungry yet, so we're not really sure what we're gonna do. Let's see what happens. But yeah, it's a vibe. And it's our last day, which is really sad. We're just vibing.
I think I'm gonna get a brownie.
A brownie?
Yeah.
That sounds like a vibe.
It really sounds good.
I like brownies. We just tried to swim, but it's jellyfish infested, so yeah. Little track.
We love it.
Up here, but we're kind of worried we'll fall off, so I don't think we're gonna go that much further. But this is so beautiful, look at this. It's so pretty, you can see the whole cove from up here. I'm really scared I'm gonna fall off, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh look! What?
Nothing. My hair was down. It was like 1 grade.
It goes all the way up there, but I feel like we're not like competent enough to get up there. Although you're very competent.
Not in this not right now. Not in this exact
not in this
moment.
subject.
Yes. Very competent because I passed bar school. Lashes was the best thing I ever did for myself.
Honestly, it's so pretty. I feel like I should get lashes.
You should. I think it's such a vibe.
I feel like I don't look so vibey without lashes.
You do. It's just mascara's annoying, just as a concept.
Yeah, I don't have any mascara on because we were gonna swim and then the jellyfish ruined the experience. So, to get away from this beauty, we have to go up these stairs. I don't know if you can see, but they go all the way all the way to the top. So that's gonna be fun. Very excited to take those stairs, but we might take some pics here, although I don't want to fall off. I just found this spot that overlooks the sea and it's insane. It's so pretty. We're thinking of cliff diving, but I feel like it's not a good idea.
It is a brilliant idea.
Yeah, according to I don't know who, but
Wow, I see.
but you know what? We saw someone jumping from that, which I think is like fine because it's dark there, so it's probably deep. But from here, not such a good idea. You'd probably die. Pretty though. So we just did a little hike. We came from like back there, and the beach is all the way back there. So we did a little hike down here, and it's really nice. Just have to be so careful not to slip. Can you imagine slipping? That would be such a disaster. So we left the other beach and we came to our favourite place, Bondi Beach. It's our favourite little restaurant. We've been here 3 times already. And we got a pizza, I got a taco. Very excited, very hungry.
We love that for us.
It's right by the beach. It's literally our favourite place. I got the guacamole and prawn taco as a starter. And Ren got a bruschetta.
It's lovely.
Looks very delicious. We got our pizza and Red just got like an eyelash in her eye and started like crying. And the guy was like, don't cry.
It's really fun,
You're
it's really
a
nice.
natural vlogger.
I know. Look at her, she's so cute.
I got a little banoffee pudding. She got a brownie. Too good. So we just got done at the beach and now we're ready again to go out.
Yes.
Outside into the world.
Oh, I got these
You're
Skittles.
eating Skittles?
The thing is, I love them, but they're different here. They taste weird, and they're really soft.
Really? Maybe you just left them out in the sun for too long.
No, even like the first time, the first time I got them, they taste bad. It's a different.
I think it's the climate. I feel like I haven't shown you like the hotel balcony yet, but it's huge. And we have a view from like the whole city. Huge, I tell you, huge. And then that's the room. Like that. Cute LED lights. Yes. This evening energy is really unmatched. Look at that. I stand an evening moment. Do you?
Yeah.
I feel like we've not seen like this time of day at the hotel because we're always like somewhere else for dinner. Aesthetic AF. Look, he's jet skiing. Leaving today. We just packed. The room looks super empty. Yeah. Are you sad?
Very.
Yes. So we're gonna go to Palma, buy some stuff, and then go to the airport. I'm super sad. I don't want to go home, but yeah. And the room looks so empty. So since I didn't show you the room, this is the room. This is our bed, and there was like a light behind it that was really cute. And then we had this like toilet and shower, and it was so see-through, so like you could see everything, and then it was like reflected in the mirror, so that was not great, but yeah. And then that mirror had an insane light just there and there. And then this was the bed, and then we had like these wardrobe thingies and this sofa, and then outside we had like this huge balcony. It was really nice. And yeah, super sad we're leaving, but that was the room. We're waiting for a taxi. I'm sad. Since Palma is like kind of close to the airport, we're gonna go there to go gift shopping, get some like presents and stuff, because we haven't really had a chance to do like tacky souvenir shopping, so that's the plan. We've only got like an hour or like an hour and a half to shop once we get there, but it should be enough time, hopefully. I look so like ninja. Can't see anything.